welcome, this is me, JBRose, singing Vegan Mum. Now I know I looked quite dressed up today, but I literally was upstairs in my spare bedroom. I was recording my contribution to an online festival called Back to Love, and it's going to be on Friday. It's going to be Friday. Let me check the date. I'm going to tell you the proper date, Friday. Hold on a second. Yes, I've just found out it's going to be Friday the 21st. I'm going to be singing at the Back to Love Festival. The first 100 people only get to pay $4.99. The lineup is great. It's myself, Carol Thompson, and loads more people performing. Last week there was the Weather Girls, Cornell C. Carter. Weeks before was Natasha Watts and Cleopatra. But this week, as I said, it's going to be me performing at the Back to Love Festival. Go find it online. Sign up, pay your $4.99, and you'll get to see me perform some of the songs from my album that's going to be available at the end of the year. And of course I'll be singing Back to Love at the Back to Love Festival, of course. So that's why I look a bit shingly and shiny, because I literally just recorded in my bedroom. So guys, check it out. I think I told you when I made my cake, 6 weeks on the urban influencer charts. Whoa. Anyway, today what did I do? I made two simple things really. I made a lovely detoxifying pineapple and cucumber drink. Simple. Water, pineapple, cucumber, and of course I always add my sea moss. You know how sea moss is good for you, right? It's really good to cleanse the colon and detoxify. It's beautiful. I'll show you how I made it.
No more stress. Gotta get up now and bring it on back to love. Bring it on back now. Gotta get up now. Bring it on back to no regrets. Shaking it off now and bring it on back to love. Bring it on back now. Shaking it off now and bring it on back to love.
Simple things. Cucumber, pineapple and water. As you know, it's really hot this week. I couldn't sleep. Oh my gosh, it was so hot. The fan was going, nothing was helping. So I didn't really want to eat heavy. So I thought I'd make my own version of a Buddha bowl. I also wanted to try out this thing called vegan egg. So this is my opportunity to really have a go and see whether this vegan egg tastes like vegan egg. My own little Buddha bowl with this vegan egg thing in it. This is the beginning of my platter. So that's some sweet potatoes chopped up finely because I'm going to mash them. And I'm going to steam my plantain. So that's going to bubble. Get in there. And the plantain's going to steam. People, I'm going to make my dressing. So this is onions, this is just green peppers, this is finely chopped garlic, and then this is chili pepper. Red chili, and then this is a rosemary that I got from my garden, and as you can see I've chopped it up real fine, and all of this is going into a bowl. So I've got me some truffle olive oil, and I'm going to be very generous because this I'm going to be using for a while now, and then a dash of liquid aminos, some fresh black pepper, some Himalayan sea salt, all season, not too much, very salty, that also season is, got a bit of everything in it. Always nice to have turmeric in things. Turmeric, a little bit of turmeric, and then some white wine vinegar. Trying to mix it all together. Big handful of mixed herbs. Again. And let it sit there and infuse. So I'm going to use some vegan egg. Here I've got 2 level tablespoons. I'm going to add some salt to it. And I'm going to add 15 mils of water. And basically I've got to mix it until it gets smooth. As you can see, it's got very smooth very quickly, and I'm going to add some black pepper to this. And I'm going to mix it some more. That's my consistency. So I've chopped up a little bit of onion and garlic, so I'm going to fry it. Before coconut oil. So now I'm going to add my vegan egg. And I'm going to scramble it. Add a little bit of paprika. So I've drained my my sweet potato, and as you can see there, that's some vegan butter. I'm just going to mash. It's just enough for me. And then my secret ingredient to my sweet potato mash is rocket from my garden. Of course we're going to mash that in and give it some flavour and vibes. And now I'm going to start to assemble. So as you can see, I've already sort of put together some cucumber and some tomato. And now I'm going to add, first of all, our lovely rocket and sweet potato mash. Lovely. I had also just steamed some straight no chaser cabbage, which I just like. I like just cabbage. I don't like to do stuff with it. And then here's our steamed plantain. Remember, I'm always on a bit of a healthy tip. So here's our plantain, lovely and steamed. Then in the center, we're going to put our scrambled egg mixture, boom, in the middle. Lovely. Which is our dressing. Dressing's going to go, oops, over the tomatoes, oops, over the tomatoes. Let's see everything real. And this, my good people, is my platter. So as I said, guys, it's just me at home, no kids. Taste test, guys. So let's have a little go. Let's have a go at the mashed potato. Really nice. The rocket and the sweet potato. Remember, I just did some plain cabbage. Again, but that's got my dressing on it. So let's see what the plain cabbage has with the dressing. It really just brings it out. And then let's just go for this vegan scrambled egg thing. I don't do this often, so let me just try it. Really nice. I wouldn't say it tastes like scrambled egg, but it's got the texture. So I think my late night platter is going to be okay. For healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.
No more stress. Gotta get up now and bring it